Welcome back, my financial freedom fighters. It's your favorite family member, Money Bill Jr. How y'all doing today? Look, man, I be trying to really get on a consistent schedule of uploading, but honestly, I really be just too busy. And I try to get on here whenever I can, whenever I have time, whenever I'm able to shoot. But I'm going to start trying to, what they call it, batch recording, recording more videos at one time. But you know, the Monday account ones, I really can't do that until after the markets close. But I'm really going to try to get on it for the family. But yeah, so what we're going to talk about is the account. Honestly, I really haven't been investing in things lately because I've been trying to put away a little money so I can get some of that stock before it's split. I think, who is it, Amazon? That's about to split next month. So, and also I'm trying to get a share of it before it's split for my kids also. So, excuse me. So I'm going to create a new segment on that for Wednesdays called Generational Wealth Wednesdays. So what I'm doing for my children, they have a custodial account, and then I'm investing in their account. But I'm gonna put a video out for that so you all can get an in-depth view of what I'm gonna be doing. And then also, I'm gonna start putting videos on my my supporters side, people who are subscribed to the channel, so they can get a more in-depth look at what I'm doing. Also from the kid account, like what stocks am I investing in for my children, how much I'm putting it in, which stocks are paying what dividends, and also on my account, which exact stocks am I investing in, how much dividends I'm getting from each stock, what stock I done sold. So it's not me telling you that's what you do, but it's just going to give you, since you are supporters of me and you subscribe to the channel, and it only costs $1 to subscribe to the channel, just to support, but $2 if, you know what I'm saying, you really want to support the channel. And what I'm going to do is just give you more of a in-depth look at what's going on when it comes to me investing. So you could just see what I'm doing. Not saying you have to do that, just see what I'm doing. So right here, what we have is the account. So last week the count was at $1,000. So I put the count at $1,000. I don't know if y'all remember my last video. I'm gonna put it right here when I gave the breakdown of how I'm going to be vesting in my milestones. So it went all the way from, I think it was from 100 to 1,000. No, was it? It was something like 100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, and 10,000 to 100,000, then 100,000 to 1,000,000. If I'm incorrect, correct me. Put it down in the comments. You know, go check out the video. Let me know. But yeah, I did do a breakdown. So what I did, I kind of just muscled my way up to $1,000 because I really was like, you know, I'm gonna sacrifice, you know, certain things, and I'm gonna just put 1,000 in here so we can start at $1,000 and get this ball rolling. So it was at 1,000 last week. It's at $1,066 this week. So I was gonna do the math beforehand, but I'll just do the math while I'm on video with you all, so we could do it together. So I'm explaining what these are. If you have been a fan of the channel or been a family member with me for this long, you know that my past videos, when I would talk about my weekly growth in the Acorns, weekly Acorns investment account, you could go back and check out those videos too. I'm gonna link that right here. So check out those videos. But this right here is active growth. Active growth means the amount of money that I put into the account. So money that I directly injected into the account. So if it's $100 in my account, well, okay, $1,000 in my account. And let's say if I put $100 in there, that means that this active growth was 10% because $100 is 10% of 1,000. So I have an active growth of 10%. Passive growth is growth that I did not contribute to, that the market made my account grow. So passive growth will be still from that same $1,000. If my account go up to $1,100, that means I will have passive growth of 10%. If the account go up $50, that means I have passive growth of 5%. So that's what passive growth is. Mean with the amount that my account grow from the market, not from me putting money in. So right here, this right here is active growth percentage. So I'll have right here $100 for active growth. The active growth percentage will equal 10%. Right here is passive growth. So let's say $100 right here, passive growth. The active growth will equal 10%. So that means the total percentage of growth for my account for that week will be 20, because 100 and 100 is $200. And that $200 of 1,000 is 20%. So I'll put 20% here, and then the new account value will be here. So that'll be 1,200. And my account will have grown 20% for that week. I'm also going to do the same thing for if the account do not grow. So if the account don't grow, then it'll be a negative whatever. So even if I put let's say active growth, I put $100 in here, right? But passive growth is a negative 20%. That means this negative growth then took away that active growth. So then I have a negative growth of 10%. You get what I'm saying? So this is how I'm gonna break it down to you all week after week. If you want to see it broken down a different way, just let me know and I'll do that. Let's see. The active growth we have, I didn't put anything into my account last week. Meant this week. Well, let me see, what's this? Last week. So this $1,000, I did that last Monday. So I didn't put anything into the account. So we're gonna say the active growth was 0. The passive growth was $66. $66 was the passive growth. Active growth, 0%. Passive growth, what's that? $66 of 1,000 is what? On my calculator. We doing all this real time, man. Real time. I know it ain't 10%. Oh, what's that? Is that 6%? 6.6%? I think that's what that is. So we're gonna put passive growth at 6.6. I don't even think I'm gonna do the point. Do you think I should? I ain't gonna do the other ones. I'm gonna just do the point that's after, because I don't want to be too like too much. So we're just gonna say 6.6. Or should I just say 6%? I don't know. So the total growth on here gonna be 6.6%. So my account for the week, this gonna be week 1. So we're gonna put this over here as week 1. This is week 1. So week 1, we going with this as week 1. Week 1, the weekly millennial millionaire investment account. So that's what we call this, the millennial millionaire investment account, because I'm going to force this account to go to $1 million. I don't care how long this takes. God willing, it's going to get there. No matter if it takes 1 year or if it takes 10 years, I'm going to grow this account. Well, we're going to, because you're going to be here with me. We're going to grow this account from $1,000 to $1 million. So what we have to do is to create $1,000 1,000 times. That's what we have to do. So any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let your boy know. It's your favorite family member. Show me some love. Oh yeah, hey look, I got the heart right here right now for the people who see the video, who don't want to subscribe to the channel, whatever, but do want to show some love or some random love, because I give you all this free. Everything on my channel you can check out is all for free. You can just drop some little love right here. Just show me you care. Always remember, think rich.